Now, did the prosecution sketch you the background of that which you were requested to read into record now?
Ingaba umshushisi uke tshela yini ukuthi kwakwenzakalani ke noma kwakungani noma kwakwenzakalani kulokhu ayebecela ukuthi ukufunde?
Cha, zange ngitshela.
No, it didn't.
Thank you. Now, this was in relation to page 2974 on photo number 17, not so?
Lokhu bekumayelana nesithombe u2974 upage ke u17.
Anginaso isiqiniseko salokho.
I'm not certain about that.
No, that is what happened when you were there. This photo was beamed there in trying to align this photo. Then you were requested to read that passage.
Ilokho bekwenzekile nkathi ubucela ukuthi ufunde lokho oqeda ufundwa manje kwase kuvezwa nalesi sithombe ngoba bekuhlanganiswa lokho okufunda la kanye nesithombe lesi. That's correct.
Thank you. Now let me sketch you a bit of a background. Mr. Zungu is a witness. He's a constable. Constable Zungu is a witness that was called by the state who came to testify about some occurrences at a hostel.
Angikutshele ke bafana ke ukuthi ke uZungu constable emaphoyiseni ufakazi ke owabizwa ukuthi azokwethula ubufakazi mala nokuthize ke okwenzeka ehostel.
Which hostel was called Basutwini Hostel?
Uma ibizwa ke leyo hostel kuthiwa ke iBasuthu Hostel.
On 26 October 2014 is the date on which the deceased in this case was killed.
Nge 26 is October 2014 ilanga lelo ke umufike kulecala leli ke waashona ngalo.
Now, part of Zungu's testimony was that all these accused that are before court here were together with him at that hostel, and there was kind of they were dancing. It was a togetherness.
Nganye ke noma ke kubufakazi bakhe ke uZungu uthi ke ngalelo langa lelo ke bo bahlanu ke abasola laba phambi kwenkontolo babe khona ke lapho langa lelo ke babe hlangene nje khona lapho ke.
Now, the passage or the extract that you are requested to read from the record relates to the day of the 26th of October 2014. That is now according to the testimony of Mr. Zuma, why he was in the company of these accused persons.
Manje ke la ocelwe ukuthi ufunde khona ke uqala khona la masesiza ngakho le page ke nanye ke ubufakazi bakhe ngokusho kwakhe ke uZungu ukuthi ke ilokho kwenzeka ke ngalela langa athi yena ke wayenabo.
That's what he told to the court, that accused number one was wearing a red t-shirt, and then he had to take it out, and then apparently he put on something else, and then he folded the red t-shirt.
Ilokho ke akusho yena ukuthi wayegqoke isikipho esibomvu ke umsola oqala ngalelo langa ke wase esikhumula ke agqoka okunye.
Do you follow?
Ingabe ngilandela yini?
Ngiyamlandela.
Yes, I am.
And that is the background of what would have happened when you refer to that passage.
Ilokho ke asho yo ke ukuthi kwenzeka ke ngathi ucelwa ke ukuthi ufunde le ndawo.
Now, the person that is depicted on that photo number 17, which is page 2974, is accused number one, that is beyond reproach.
Manje ke ombonayo lapha kulesa sithombe ke u2974 upage 17 ke umsolwa woqala.
That's the gentleman that is wearing a mask now.
Ulo ufake imask nje.
Yambona.
I see.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Sibia, that's accused number one, informs me that this photo was taken in 2018.
Uyangitshela ke Mr. Sibiya uyanaka msolo wokuqala ukuthi isithombe lesi ke isithombe sathwetshulwa ngo-2018.
And the place where this photo was taken, it was at Mtambega section in Tembisa.
Indawo ke indawo ebizwa ngokuthi kusemthambeka section eThembisa la esathwetshulwa khona ke isithombe lesi.
And the house that is seen at the back of the photo there, it's the house of his uncle, who's called Skelon Tuti.
Nokuthi ke umuzi loyana ke ubonakalayo ke ngemuva laphayana ke esithombeni umuzi wakhe ke
His uncle.
uncle.
Skelon
English says uncle, but it can mean a lot of things.
Umalume.
Yeah.
Umalume.
Okay. Umalume wakhe ke umuzi wakhe lana uSicelo Ntuli.
Now he says that that car as well belongs to his uncle. Or in 2018 when he shot this photo, that car was his uncle's motor vehicle.
Nokuthi ke imoto leyana ebonakalayo kusona ke isithombe imoto kamalume wakhe ngokuthi nango 2018 kathi ke isithombe lesi sithwetshula ngo-2018 okuyimoto yakhe umalume wakhe.
Now he says, if his memory serves him well, this photo was taken or was shot by a gentleman called Nkazi Mulo. They affectionately called him Nkazi.
Uthi umekhumbula kahle ke umthwebulo wesithombe le kwaku uNkazi Mulo uma ke imbiza ke bethi Nkazi.
Now, vis-a-vis what you are requested to read, this photo has got nothing to do with what Constable Zungu came and told this court.
Manje ke kuloko buceliweke ukuthi kufundeke nokuthi ke lesithombe lesi ke akukho nje okusihlanganisa nalokho uConstable Zungu eza azokuthula ufakazi ngako la enkantolo.
Furthermore, he says he might not have a plausible explanation how this photo happened to be found in the memory cards or whatever system that you found it in accused number 2's phone, but this is his explanation.
Uthi ke aphansi akukho nje angakusho-ke ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi itholakaleke kuyona-ke noma i-SD card, memory card ke umakhalekhukhwini wakhe umsolo wesibili kodwa-ke yikona lokhu yena achazayo noma akushoyo.
He says he knows accused number 2 very well.
Uthi uyamazi-ke umfuthi umazi kahle nomwazi kakhulu-ke umsolo wesibili.
Although they were not buddies, but he knows him very well.
Noma nje babengasibona-ke abangani kodwa-ke uyamazi.
He knows accused number 2 through his younger brother.
Umazi-ke ngomfowabo omncane.
Accused number 2 was accused number 1's brother's friend.
Ukuthi umsolo wesibili kwakuwumngani kamfowabo omncane kamsolo wokuqala.
Now, this brother is the brother that is called Gwabeni.
Manje-ke umfowabo lona-ke akhuluma ngayo umfowabo obizwa ngokuthi uGwabeni.
And with due respect to Mr. Ramusupili, I've taken the liberty to verify this information.
Ngokusho-ke lokho ke nkuluke inhlonipho kuyena-ke uMr. Ramusipile ukuthi-ke le mniningwane noma le information lena-ke ngiqinisekisile. Ngaloko engikukhulumayo ngisho ngiqale ngayoqinisekisa kuqala.
with Mr. Ntanzi, whether or not he knows this Mr. Kwabeni.
Ngiyoqinisekisa kuyena-ke uMr. Ntanzi ukuthi uyamazi yini lo Gwabeni.
Then Mr. Ntanzi, who's accused number 2, confirmed that he knows him quite well.
Wabe senikeza-ke isiqinisekiso yena-ke uMnumzane Ntanzi ukuthi yebo uyamazi futhi umazi kakhulu-ke yena uGwabeni lo.
Now, accused number, Mr. Sibiya, who's accused number 1, further says that he was also close to Kwabeni.
Umsolo wokuqala naye-ke ukuthi-ke umuntu naye-ke angathi nje awayesondelene kakhulu noma waye-close kakhulu-ke naye uGwabeni.
Kwabeni would request his phone to make calls. He would request his phone to take photos. He would request his phone to send SMSs.
uGwabeni-ke kwakuwumuntu-ke owayewucela umakhalekhukhwini wakhe ukuthi-ke ashaye ucingo athumele i-SMS athwebule iy'thombe.
So he just do not know, but he would speculate that in Kwabeni's exchanging maybe some photos with accused number 2, it could have happened that he also might have sent this photo that was taken on 2018 to accused number 2, and which could explain the reason why his photo was found in the gadgets that were found in accused number 2's possession.
Uthi-ke kwangenzeka-ke ukuthi-ke kuloko kushintshisana-ke noma ukuthumelana kwakuba khona-ke phakathi kukaGwabeni kanye naye-ke umsolo wesibili ukuthi kwangenzeka-ke ukuthi-ke uGwabeni wathumela sona-ke lesi sithombe kuyena umsolo wesibili, isithombe leso esathwetshulwa ngo-2018.
He is saying that is just his speculation. He shouldn't be really held, that should not be held against him, because he can also not give an appropriate explanation as to why his photos were found in accused number 1's phone.
Uthi-ke yinto nje leyo ayicabangelayo-ke yena-ke akusiyona-ke into manje esengasetshenziswa-ke ngakuyena-ke noma-ke kweyinsolo ngakuyena-ke uthi-ke yikona nje angakusho acabangayo ukuthi ngathi noma ngenzeka ukuthi yikona okwenzeka mayelana nesithombe lesi.
Do you understand up to that far, Mr.
Ufinyelela khona lana engabuya ngizwa yini.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I hear you.
Thank you. That also goes to photo number 18, on page number 18, where the gentleman that is wearing the spectacles there, those black spectacles, is accused number 1.
Nalona-ke ufake ibuko lana uyena umsolo wokuqala.
That is on page 3023. This is not in dispute that it is him.
Akuphikiswa-ke lokho ukuthi uyena loya.
The same explanation with regard to photo number 17 would also go to photo number 18.
Lokho kwaqeda ukusho-ke manje mayelana nalesi isithombe ikona-ke akushoyo nakulesi isithombe esiku page 18.
Thank you. That is his explanation with regard to you having been requested to read a passage from the testimony of Zungu of what could have happened on the 24th of October 2014.
Yilokho-ke akushoyo ukuthi-ke angachaza-ke mayelana nalokho kuceliwe-ke ukuthi ukufunde nenkulumo yakhe-ke uZungu ayisho ukuthi yini eyenzeka nge-26 ka-October 2014.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.
Do you have any comments?
Akunayo i-comment kodwa ngingakusho ukuthi ngikuzwile lo ngishoyo.
I have no comment, but all I can say is that I heard what you said.
Thank you, sir. Now, you also we requested to read certain information in relation to photos for pointing out. I can't remember what is it that you actually requested to read, man.
Khona okunye okuceliwe futhi ukuthi ukufundeke mayelana nezithombe-ke eziphathelene nala khona-ke kwakuyokhonjwa. Angisakhumbuli-ke ukuthi bekuthiweni-ke lapho.
But I could see that you were requested to read something in relation to align the photos of the pointing out with what you were requested to read. I can't remember what is it that you requested to read. I wanted to take it down, but it just skipped my mind, but I know that happened. I think it's a photo where accused number 1 is depicted with some red shoes or something like that. Yes.
It's page
32.
Yeah. Can you please reread that again into records?
Phinde ukufundeke lokhu.
Okay. The closing page,
Yes.
observation of justice of peace.
Yes.
With regard to the deponent's clothing, black tracksuit top, striped t-shirt, DH, label, blue jean, red bed, red Cavella shoes. It is his clothing, my lord.
Lana-ke yiloko bengikufunda ukuthi-ke okwabona-ke lo ayehamba naye-ke ngokuthi wayegqokeni i-tracksuit, i-top yakhona-ke emnyama, i-t-shirt enama-stripes noma-ke enemiga, ine-label ye-DH, i-jean eblue, i-red bed, kanye futhi-ke neyicathulo eyibomvu, ikhavela. Iloko ayegqokile kusenkantolo.
Thank you. Did the state again sketch you the background of what you were requested to read into record?
Ingaba nalapho umbuso ukutshelile futhi-ke ukuthi kwenzekani-ke kuloko bebecela-ke ukuthi ukufundela inkantolo.
Cha.
No.
Thank you. This is just a neutral point. Indeed, in the course of the investigation of this case, the state alleges that accused number 1 voluntarily indicated to the investigating team that he was also prepared to go and do some pointing out.
Uphenyo-ke maqhubeka-ke uphenyo kulona-ke icala leli, umbuso-ke usola-ke ukuthi noma kuza nensolo zokuthi-ke umsola yena-ke kuphuma kuyena-ke wathi-ke kwithimba eliphenyayo uyimisela ukuthi-ke ahambe ayokhomba iy'ndawo ey'thize.
Now, what you see there, I think from the background of being a policeman, I think you'll understand what I'm saying. What you see there is what the state alleges that that accused number 1 was pointing out voluntarily.
Okubonayo laphayana-ke yiloko okushiwo umbuso ukuthi-ke umsolo wokuqala yena umuntu owayekhombela nje yena ngokufuna kwakhe.
The clothing, the shoes and everything, I think they're not in dispute.
Agqokile-ke iy'cathulo konke nje agqokile akusona-ke izinto ey'phikiswayo noma-ke kuphikiswana nazo.
Do you understand?
Uyangizwa?
Yep.
Yes.
Do you have any comment thus far?
Khona ongakusho?
Awukho engingakusho phandle ukuthi lezicathulo ezibomvu nami ngiyazibona noma ngeze ngazicathulo inhlobo nesicathulo.
No, there's nothing I can say except to say that I see the right shoes, although I cannot say which type of shoes they are.
Thank you. Now, you were also requested to comment on photo number 19, which is page 292. page 90, on that page 2992. Yeah. Let me be sincere with you. This photo, if my memory serves me well, is a photo of a picture of a firearm that seems to have been a downloaded photo, not so?
Isithombe lesi-ke sesibhamu bheka kuyisithombe-ke esidownloadiwe akunjalo.
Kungenzeka ngoba asisho ukuthi sibuyaphi.
It's possible because it does not indicate it does not indicate the source or where it comes from.
Thank you. I'm not so clued up with these languages, but when we had a little discussion with Mr. Ramusipili there, he told me photos can either be downloaded or there could be some memes or something like that. Are you aware of what a meme or a memes or something like that, or a mumish or something like that is?
Mumish.
A meme or a mimi or those MM words.
Angikwazi lokho kusho.
I don't know about what you're saying.
Don't you know what a meme is? Or a meme is? Yes,
Cha angikwazi kodwa nje engingakusho.
yes.
Kowami umqondo
Yes.
isithombe ungasithola ngezindlela eziningi.
What I can say that in my mind, you can get a picture in different ways,
Yes.
or many ways.
Akusho ukuthi mangabe unesithembo efonini kungabe ilesi osithethe ngefoni yakho.
It doesn't mean that when you have a photo or a picture on your phone that it was captured using your own phone.
Yes.
So ungangena ku Google ugoogle i-picture izoba khona ku photo yakho.
You can go on Google and Google a picture. It would be there on your phone.
So okwamanje angeke ngicommente ukuthi sikuyaphi lesithombe ngoba angikhona ukusibona la nje ngoba sideletiwe.
For now, I cannot comment on this photo because I'm unable to comment on it as it was deleted.
Thank you. You know what you've just said reminds me soon after the death of the Pope. I think 2 or 3 days down the line, the American president was seen wearing that Pope thing, you know, and he was wearing like a Pope. And then I nearly jumped out of my skin saying that the president is now a Pope. Kanti hayi, apparently that was a joke, not so.
Ngicabangisa-ke nje emuva kokuthi-ke uPope Gqoboshona wabona-ke uyena-ke upresident wase-America igqoke kona lokuyana ngangicabanga-ke ukuthi seyiPope kodwa cha kwathi kanye nje kuyihlaya lokho.
So these things do happen these days, not so.
Manje-ke lezi zinto lezi ziyenzeka-ke.
Ngiyavuma.
I agree.
Particularly with the advent of what is recently known as artificial intelligence. We need to be very cautious of what is genuine and of what is artificial is, not so.
Kuwumuntu-ke kufanele-ke uqaphele kakhulu-ke ngokumayelana nalokho-ke kuyikona oku-original noma genuine nalokho-ke engasikona.
Yebo kunjalo.
That's correct.
From an analyst point of view, not so.
Uma ubheka-ke ngeso loba umcwaningi.
Ngiyavuma.
I agree.
Hayi ungavumeli phansi phela athi
Hayi,
ngiyavuma. Ukusho
ngiyavuma.
ukuthi uvumele phezulu awu Ndlovu.
Ngiyavuma.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Ndlovu. I've got no further questions to this witness, Maras. Thank you very much, sir.
Ngiyabonga.